What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to ask you, need your help for my ARRMA Notorious. This is ARRMA Notorious, guys, for the switch, because I'd like to find out where's the 2-wire for this switch here, not the reset, because this is the reset button. So because the 2-wire of this switch to power on and off our RC, because this button is already a DIY made because it's already broken. But what I am thinking, guys, if this can do a wireless remote, that not so often to take off power on the vehicle, or I can attach to a switch that is remotely like my car switch, that can do like this switch, guys, that can switch power on and off like this. So because I already make the fan of my motor fan that I switch on and off remotely, so I try to figure out which of these four. And then when I open it, guys, like this, sorry, it's very hard one hand, so that one, because it's very hard, guys, like this, because it's already broken, but I DIY already and then it's working. But I try to figure out like this. See, it's the button, there's it. So this button, guys, let me see here. So this button, guys, here. So this button, I'd like which wire that touches this to power on and off this switch here, but it is for, I cannot, I don't know, because there's also board in here, or this can go straight away here. I can cut in here and then connect with a on and off switch like that, or maybe these two orange, I think so, is when it touches, and this will power on the ESC, this RC, these two, like that maybe. Please advise me, guys, because I want this to make it remotely, so that I can switch on and off straight away. So I thought it's easy to find, but yeah, in here it's so hard. Let me see. And then there's also string in here. What is that? It's hard. It's very hard, can tell, guys. So I'm gonna put it back. So I have coming, I bought the remote switch on and off in AliExpress, which is maybe coming this week or next week. I try to convert it with the remote switch, so that it will not go taking off the body and then power on or power off, or sometimes just snatch in the side. So help me guys if where's the exact wire for this four, maybe these two orange, or cannot be because there's an also board. I seen circuit board in this switch also. So it's done guys, because it's very hard for this switch, because what I did guys is this. I have remote, I have already done a remote for this fan, which is I can operate the fan, motor fan, with this remote. I can power on and off, can do this 100% power for the fan like that. So I try in here, it's only 2 wire, which is this one. They have 2 wires here, see that one, that is the sensor there. I only tap the 2 wire here, so it will remote the fan because it's so noisy when I'm power on here in the house, so I can turn off. And also I'm thinking if I can make this switch on and off remotely like this, which is good. So that's what I'm gonna make guys, because I have already lights installed here. I bought already this bumper new, it's an aluminium for our ARRMA Notorious. So ARRMA Notorious is a nice build already, see, it's good. So what I may need guys is how to power this beast off remotely. So that's it, thank you for watching, bye bye.